Hey guys, Rhino here. So I just got a call and we're going to Phelan. We're gonna be recovering a Hyundai Sonata. According to the owner, GPS sent them the wrong way into a wash, and they end up getting stuck in soft sand. So it shouldn't be that hard. Should be a fairly quick recovery, but you never know, right? Until I get there. So we'll see how it goes. As always, thank you guys for coming along, and I'll keep recording once I get there. Thank you. Got flipped over. Seems to be the street. If you can call this a street. This is supposed to be the street. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, I see him. I see somebody flashing their phone. Oh, okay. They're there. He wants me to go the other way. I don't know why, but let's go.
Tried coming, pero like they couldn't.
They wouldn't make it in here.
No, they're like, no, we can't do it. They're like, we always get calls from Amazon,
Yeah,
because Amazon, I guess GPS fucks up
right.
and they send the wrong ways.
So you were delivering on a particular vehicle? You do that?
Yeah, on your personal vehicle you deliver,
Oh, nice.
but this is fucking off. This is crazy.
Kind of like Uber, right?
Yeah, pretty
But
much.
I mean,
with boxes, we still have boxes and there are like 5 boxes left.
oh shit, for us?
Yeah,
What is this?
that's it's a hybrid, so you charge
Okay.
it. Yeah, you charge right there.
All right, let me get my shovel. I need to dig it. Oh wait, don't you have the hook for here?
Yeah, I believe so. Yes, there's a hook in there.
See? Do you have it in the back?
Oh,
Do you
in
know?
the back, yeah. Let me check.
Yeah. We're gonna use that instead. So, for how long have you been here?
Stuck in here?
Yeah.
Oh, like maybe like a few hours since like I don't know, like 8 probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then AAA couldn't come in here because of the dirt, right?
Yeah, AAA made it to here, but they didn't even bring a flatbed. They brought a truck.
Oh, they made it here?
They made it here, but went through the back,
Uh-huh.
but they couldn't take it out. They couldn't take it out.
Do you mind if I look in here?
Yeah, go ahead.
What is this? Oh, this is the battery. Okay.
You only have a winch in the back.
Then it's gonna be in the front. You know, do you have an engine on the front? Yeah. Where do you carry your spare tire?
Oh, there's no spare tire.
There's no spare tire?
No, everything. If anything, it would be.
Yeah, because that's the battery right there. Yeah, I was thinking that there would be a spare tire and all the tools would be here. But I don't see any. What does that say? Gasoline manual, bro?
Yeah, usually they hook it to here. Yeah, they have the little hook, or there's a hook at the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah, you see it?
Okay, see that? Yeah. So,
Want me to open the hood?
no, that's fine. You know what? I'll put you back. And let me go move to the other side. I'll put you back. And we'll
There's
see.
a way around this.
Right. Okay, since we couldn't find the the towing hook, we're gonna have to pull them from the back, from the rear I should say. And one of these. So, let's go. And over here, I'm just gonna thread it through here. And just put this hook on the other side. So I got a safe, a very safe towing hook. Let's go all the way to the exit. If you need any more help, I'll be there to pull you.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Pick up your family. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it was fairly easy. He was out here hustling, delivering for Amazon and whatnot. GPS sent him the wrong way, got stuck. He was stuck here for a couple of hours. But we got him out, so he's going home, we're going home, and thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you next time.